Find the percentage of the adults who have an IQ score less than 55 or more than 145. And so I'm looking at my chart, and that's why it's so handy to draw a chart and mark in all your X values, because when they tell us 55 and 145, we can look on here and say we want less than 3 on both sides and greater than 3, less than -3 and greater than a +3. And we know those two are our actual z-score markers for 3 and -3. So number 4, less than 55 or greater than 145. I'm going to say it's very few people, right? So we're over here at 3 and over here at -3, and we want the tails, the two tails. And we can look up one of them, certainly, on our table and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we want 3.0 because we're exactly at our z equals 3, and it is 0.4987. So at 3.0 it's 0.4987. So z equals 3.0 gives you an area 0.4987. Well, we said we thought it was going to be really low. So what's up with that giant 0.4987? That's almost half of our distribution. So let's think about that for a second. Some of you got it. It is 0.4987 here in the part we don't want, and then we have to find the part that we do want. So we have to do 0.5 minus 0.4987, and we get 0.0013. That makes more sense. That little chunk right there is 0.0013. Well, we have the same size chunk on the other side right here, and that one's also 0.0013. And we wanted both of them, so we have to do that 0.0013 twice, which gives us 0.0026. And if we change it to a percent, it's 0.26%, not 26, because we have those two zeros that will move the decimal past, but it's going to stop right there in front of the 2. So it'll be 0.26%. So that means very, very few, very, very few, less than 1%, less than half of 1%, just barely over a fourth of 1%. So very few people have IQs less than 55 or greater than 145. And it is 0.26% of the people. Make that decimal really large.